Elon Musk's innovative and forward-thinking company Tesla Automobiles is widely acknowledged to have revolutionized the auto industry. The Tesla Model S is the most desired electric vehicle in the world. The car's outstanding safety rating, range, and design have all been praised by critics. It's also worth remembering that the excellent raw materials used in the Tesla Model S make all of this possible. Hello guys, welcome to Techmo. Today in this video, we will talk about how Tesla Model S production is done. Make sure you stay tuned till the end of the video. The Tesla Model S is an all-electric luxury sedan that is Tesla's first vehicle built from the ground up. It was first shown off as a prototype in 2009. The Model S sedan is also Tesla's longest-running electric vehicle in production, having launched in 2012, 3 years after it first debuted as a prototype. Tesla was producing 12 to 15 Model S EVs a week when it first began production. That number had risen to over 1,000 per week by 2015, helping the Model S become the best-selling plug-in electric vehicle in both 2015 and 2016. Tesla began expanding its supercharger network at the same time as the Model S was released, and now it has over 16,000 outlets worldwide. Early Model S owners were also eligible for free unlimited supercharging, which is becoming increasingly difficult to come by these days. The veteran Model S sales have fallen in recent years in comparison to Tesla's more affordable Model 3 and Model Y EVs, but it remains a flagship sedan, offering luxury and performance, especially after its recent update and forthcoming plate engine. Model S has set new norms for vehicle efficiency, exceeds the highest safety standards, and offers greater cargo space than any other sedan. When making a car, most manufacturers stick to a strict production schedule. Tesla has followed the same procedure, with incremental improvements. The Tesla Model S body and chassis are almost entirely made of aluminum sheets derived from bauxite ore. Aluminum is lightweight, which helps to extend the battery's range beyond that of other EVs. The car contains 410 pounds of aluminum in total. The sheets will be stamped into three-dimensional fenders, hood panels, doors, and roofs using a hydraulic press machine. Stamped aluminum weighs nearly half as much as steel, allowing to improve total vehicle efficiency. The hydraulic press line from Tesla is one of the highest quality. Body panels will be produced on the press line. The remaining body stampings, castings, and extrusions will be manufactured outside of the factory and delivered in for assembly. The body sub-assembly shop employees are in charge of connecting stamped pieces together at stations. Compiling groups of components into assemblies, rather than manufacturing a car piece by piece on a single production line, is significantly more efficient. The Model S sleek outside panels will be soldered to the inner elements that give the car its strength and safety. The sub-assemblies are then taken to the body framing shop. Other robotic arms move in with glue, weld, and rivet guns to seal and attach the parts picked up from neighboring racks. On the primary frame are hung the doors, hood, and trunk lid. The dazzling panoramic glass panels will subsequently be connected to the roof frame. Precision is essential at this level. Welds, holes, and gaps are all scrutinized for flaws once they've been framed. Flawless construction that emerges from the body framing shop is called body in white. The body in white is the car's fundamental structure and is crucial to driving dynamics and occupant safety. Tesla's aim for a 5-star safety rating from government crash tests. The entire structure is now prepared for painting. The color of a car may reveal a lot about its owner, and it is at this point that the Model S begins to take shape in a 4-step paint process that includes preparation and 3 coats of paint. In order to lower emissions, the Model S paint process will be different from regular paint. Both the primer and clear coat layers of the novel paint process will be powder coated. The Model S is one of the first cars to use 2 layers of powder coating instead of 1. Traditional liquid paints contain hazardous VOCs. It will significantly cut factory emissions while providing class-leading paint quality by employing powder paint. To paint, the car will be grounded and connected to an electrical supply. Paint guns will be used to spray the positively charged paint. The charged particles are attracted to the automobile by electrostatic attraction and disperse evenly. The car is then transported on a conveyor belt through a 350-degree oven to cure the paint. The color layer will be put between the primer and clear powder coatings. The car will be wet sanded after the three paint layers are applied to guarantee a faultless finish. The car is moved to the final assembly area after the last layer of paint is polished. It goes from a sculpted, painted metal shell to the premium car you've been waiting for. The car's movable parts, doors, and trunk lid are removed and shipped to different assembly stations for further processing. Wiring is supplied between the outer panel and the inner frame. The handles are joined, and the quality leather parts are fastened at a door assembly station. Other assembly stations are responsible for the dashboard, trunk liner, and other components. The deepest elements of the car's main frame are attached. The carpet, headliner, console, dashboard, seats, and steering wheel are the next sub-assemblies to be installed. Airbags are positioned at strategic areas to protect occupants from any direction of impact. Once finished, the doors are reattached and adjusted for fit. But without its cutting-edge powertrain and battery technologies, what would the Model S be? The motor, transaxle, inverter, and rear suspension system will all be contained within one sub-assembly that can be fitted into the Model S with one step, with much fewer moving parts than an internal combustion engine. In a matter of seconds, the liquid-cooled battery pack with quick-release fluid connectors will be installed. The battery pack is the body's final structural component. On long road trips, you will be able to swiftly swap out a depleted battery for a full one thanks to this engineering accomplishment. The Tesla battery packs weighs 1,200 pounds, or roughly 26% of the vehicle's overall weight. The car's center of gravity is only 44.5 centimeters from the ground, providing unparalleled stability. There are 7,104 lithium-ion battery cells in the battery. The NCA formulation used in the Tesla Model S battery cathode has an approximate ratio of 80% nickel, 50% cobalt, and 5% aluminum. The cathode also contains a small amount of lithium. The Tesla supercharger network is ideal for quick charging, especially while on the road or while your battery is running low. Superchargers, on the other hand, are not advised for daily use due to their huge direct current. Tesla advises level 2 charging at home whenever possible. On a DC fast charger, either trim of the Tesla Model S can currently handle up to 250 kilowatts of electricity. Elon Musk, on the other hand, has announced that Tesla intends to increase the supercharger network to 300 kilowatts. This may eventually necessitate an upgrade to the Teslas themselves to manage such power, but this is likely to be handled via an OTA software update. The car must undergo quality testing before delivery, a rolling road, a device that simulates driving on real streets, a water test to check for leaks, and an inspection station to ensure all components are installed to specification are all common quality checks. Instead of spending gallons of water on a leak test, ultrasonic waves will be used inside the automobile while a device on the outside detects escaping waves. It will conserve vital natural resources by using this scientific fluid ingress test system. Model S is ready for delivery once quality testing is completed. But what is the price of a Tesla Model S? The final purchase price is determined by a variety of factors, including the powertrain, customizations, and optional features such as full self-driving capabilities. The long-range Model S is the less expensive of the two models currently available. This dual-motor AWD trim starts at $89,990 and can go up to $108,990 when fully loaded. This higher price includes all available options, including red paint, a custom interior, and FSD capabilities, which reduce the EV's estimated range to 375 miles. The plate Model S starts at $129,990 with white exterior paint and no optional features. It's worth noting that the Arachnid Wheels edition will set you back $4,500 and reduce the plate's estimated range to 348 miles. Overall, you can have a freshly updated Model S for as little as $90,000 and a fully loaded plate for $149,000. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have enjoyed it, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Let us know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Until next time.